How to cancel Deezer's premium subscription. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video on how Genic, whether you have a paid plan or are on a free trial, you can cancel your subscription so that you do not get charged from next month. Open up the app of Deezer's and head over to the profile section on the top left. From the profile section, you'll be able to see the option or the section called Manage Plan. You can just tap on this section. And inside of the account management section, you'll see the option called My Subscription Plan. Tap on Manage My Subscriptions and it's going to show you the current plan that you subscribe to. If you scroll down, right here it says want to cancel your subscription and then you'll see a button called Cancel Subscription. You can just tap on this button and cancel the premium subscription that you have inside of Deezer's. This way you will not get charged next month or on the date that is mentioned on the top. So that's basically it on the way that you cancel a Deezer's premium subscription. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.